Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be unboxing this 2-in-1 4K professional lens kit. This is a very good product to take very good pictures. So let's start unboxing. So here I have this 2-in-1 lens kit. This is a 4K professional lens kit. It is great for photography, like if you want to take wide angle 4K shot or super zoomed out. So you can see there is a case of this. So you can see right here there are two cameras. This one is a very big one, but it's small. It is very compact and handy. It has a very nice black finished touch. The second one, this one is a very zoomed out one, and there's the hook of this, so you could fit it on both, because there are both holes in here, so you can fit it on whichever one depending on your phone. There's this soft padding on here, so you don't need to worry about the scratches on your phone. And this is the case for this. It has a clip in here, so you can attach it on a phone. There's the hook of this, so you can attach it on your backpack or in your back pocket. There's this lens of this, and the back lens. There's also a cleaning cloth in here, so you can clean the glass of your lens. Now let me show you how to put it on. So you have to connect both of these to put it on the clip right here. So you can just twist it on, and then you can just put it on a phone like this. It is very nice and compact. I really like the finishing touches of this, and you can go with it wherever you want. And you're ready to go. So overall, I really like this product, and this is great for photography if you're a photographer and you don't have to carry those big and bulky cameras around, and if you want to take a really nice view picture with the cell phone.
This is a shot with the camera lens, and now look without the camera lens. Big difference.
Hope you enjoyed this video. Please like, share, and subscribe.